Okay, for today's video, we're going to solve quadratic equation by completing the square. So we have here three examples. And then we are going to solve this one by one. For number one, we have x squared plus 8x minus 20 equals 0. So for completing the square, first thing we must do is to isolate the constant. In this case, our constant is negative 20. So you are going to isolate, meaning to say we are going to transpose it to the other side. So it will become x squared plus 8x equals 20. So now the constant is already isolated. Second steps, we are going to make sure that the coefficient of quadratic term or x squared is 1. In this case, the coefficient of quadratic term is 1. So therefore, we are going to proceed to the next step. So we are going to add or put b squared over 2 on both sides. So it will become x squared plus 8x plus b over 2 squared equals 20 plus b over 2 squared. So b over 2 squared is the one that will make the equation complete. So in this case, our b is 8. So it will become x squared plus 8x plus 8 over 2 squared equals 20 plus 8 over 2 1 squared. So in this case, 8 over 2 is same as 4, or 8 divided by 2 is 4. It will become x squared plus 8x plus 4 squared equals 20 plus 4 squared. So in this case, we are now in perfect square trinomial. So in this case, we are going to get the square root of the first and the last term. So square root of x squared is x. Then square root of the last term, 4 squared is 4. Then whatever the sign of the linear term, we are going to copy. Since it is positive, so you are going to use plus. Then quantity squared. So x squared plus 8x plus 4 squared is same as x, the quantity of x plus 4 squared. Then 20 plus 4 squared is 16. X plus 4 squared is equal to 20 plus 16 is 36. So now we are going to extract the square root. So applying extracting the root, so we square both sides, the square root of both sides. So cancel out, the remaining is x plus 4 equals square root of 16, square root of 36 is 6. Then we have here, since we do squaring square root of both sides, so the result is positive and negative 6. So we have here two equations. So x plus 4 equals 6. The other one is x plus 4 equals negative 6. Solve for x. So x is equal to 6 transpose 4 to the other side. It will become negative 4. So x is equal to 2. So the first value of x is 2. The second one, x is equal to negative 6 transpose. It will become negative 4. So x is equal to negative 10. So let us check if our answer is correct. So if x is 2, here it becomes 2 squared. 2 squared is 4. So 4 is here. Then 8 times 2 is 16. Plus 16. Minus 20. So 4 plus 16 is 20. Minus 20 is 0. So therefore, x equals 2 is a solution. Next, x equals negative 10. So the quantity of negative 10 squared is 100. And then plus 8 times negative 10 is negative 80. So 100 minus 80 is 20. 20 minus 20 is 0. Therefore, x equals negative 10 is a correct answer, or it is a solution. Now let us proceed to the second example. 3x squared equals 4x plus 4. Again, first thing that we must do is to isolate the constant. In this case, we have here 4, which is the constant. So positive 4x will be transposed to the other side. So it will become 3x squared minus 4x equals 4. So now the constant 4 is already isolated. Next is we're going to make sure that the coefficient of quadratic term is 1. Since the coefficient of quadratic term is 3, to make it 1, we are going to divide by it by itself. So it will become divide by 3, divide by 3. All the terms will be divided. So it will be 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times x squared is x squared. Minus 4 over 3x is equal to 4 over 3. So we have now coefficient of quadratic term, which is 1. Then constant is already isolated. Let us proceed. Let us complete the equation by adding b over 2 squared. So it will become x squared minus 4 over 3x plus b over 2 squared equals 4 over 3. So whatever you added to the left side, it will be added also to the other side. So plus b over 2 squared. Now our b here is negative 4 over 3. So it will become x squared minus 4 over 3x plus our b is 4 over 3 over 2 then squared. It is correct also if you are going to neglect negative, since negative times negative is positive. So equals 4 over 3 plus 4 over 3 over 2 squared. Then it will become x squared minus 4 over 3x. So plus 4 over 3 over 2 is same as 4. You multiply 3 by 2. So it will become 6. Then copy squared equals 4 over 3 plus copy here 4 over 6 quantity squared. So in this case, we are now in perfect square trinomial. So we are going to get the square root of the first term and then the last term. So square root of x squared is x. Whatever the sign in the middle term or the linear term, just copy. Since it is negative, so write negative. Then the square root of the quantity of 4 over 6 squared is same as 4 over 6. Then you are going to group, then squared is equal to 4 over 3, and then here 4 squared is 16 over 6 squared is 36. Then plus, we put plus. So it will become x minus 4 over 6 squared is equal to combine 4 over 3 or add 4 over 3 plus 16 over 36. In this case, 36 is divisible by 3. So therefore, our denominator LCD is 36. So 36 divided by 3 is 12 times 4 is 48. 48 plus 36 divided by 36 is 1 times 16 is 16. So copy on the left side, x minus 4 over 6 squared is equal to 48 plus 16 is same as 64 over 36. In this case, we can now extract the square root on both sides. Square root, square root. So cancel out, cancel out. The result is x minus 4 over 6 is equal to square root. Since we do extracting the root, so positive and negative. So square root of 64 is 8 over square root of 36 is 6. So we have now two equation to be solved for us to solve or get the values of x. So we have here x minus 4 over 6 is equal to, first is positive 8 over 6. The other one is x minus 4 over 6 is equal to negative 8 over 6. We are going to transpose negative 4 to the other side, negative 4 over 6 to the other side. It will become x is equal to, copy 8 over 6. From negative, it will become positive 4 over 6. Solve. X is equal to, same denominator, so copy. Directly add the numerator because they have the same denominator. So 8 plus 4 is 12. If it can be simplified, so simplified. So 12 over 6 is 2. So the value of x is 2. The other one, transpose negative 4 again. Negative 4 over 6 to the other side. It will become x is equal to, copy negative 8 over 6 plus 4 over 6. So x is equal to, same denominator, copy. Then do the needed operation. So negative 8 plus 4 is negative 4. X equals negative 4 over 6 again is divisible by 2. So negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So this is now the final answer. So we have here the roots of the equation, or the values of x, are 2 and negative 2 over 3. So I want you to try number 3. 2x 2x squared plus 5x equals 12.